see what the code is for this thing. I forget which one of these handsets I used before, but I want to try the other one. Try this one. Evaporator emission system large leak detected, DTC severe 1 of 3. Alright, so today we're going to be replacing this solenoid. I don't know if there's a part number on here. Here we go. There's the part number. Here's what it looks like. And we're going to see if we can show you what it looks like underneath the car. Hanging up on a bracket up here. Light under here. Looks like this connector's different. So they changed the connector to this style here. So that connector right there is not gonna fit. So I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm not sure why it changed, but I did find that you can buy the jumper. The one I used was part number 209411985. That'll connect to the existing wiring harness on the car, and then the other end will plug into the new purge solenoid. So after I replace that, erase the code, it hasn't come back in 6 months. Thanks for watching.